Hello, how are you doing? So let's take a look at programming problem number 423 on LeetCode, which is reconstruct original digits from English. So the problem goes as follows. We are provided with a non-empty string containing an out of order English representation of digits 0 to 9. So 0 to 9 digits have a spelling and the characters in their spelling are jumbled up. So for example, over here, if you look at this input string, so this is this one, and it has the output of 0 1 2 because the digits have a spelling of 0 1 and 2, and if you jumble up all these characters you get this input string. So how can we go about solving this? So an interesting thing to observe in this problem is that the spellings of certain numbers have unique characters in them. For example, if you look at the spelling of 0, it has a unique Z in it, 2 has uniquely 2, 4 has U, and 8 has G. So if our input has any of these characters, that is Z, W, U, and even 6 has X, so Z, W, U, X, and G, so we can definitely say that it maps to these characters. Okay, so after we have found a mapping for these characters, what remains? So we have 3, 5, 7, 1, 9 still remaining. So now if you look at 3, so 3 shares the character H with 8. So 8 and 3 both have H in them, but no other digit has that. But since we have already identified 8 uniquely using G's, so now if we see H, we can definitely say that these would map to a 3. So this way we can identify 3. Similarly for 5, it shares F with 4 and itself. So if we have identified 4s through U's, then if we find any F's, then it would be definitely 5. So this way we can identify 5, and similarly for 7. So 3, 5, 7. Now if you look at O's, so O's are present in 0, 1, 2 and 4, but we have already identified 2 and 4 over here. So 2 and 4, and we also identified 0 in over here. So what remains is 1. So if we have any O's present in the input string, then they would definitely map to 1. So this way we can find out 1s as well, and what remains after all these is the single digit 9. So anything which is remaining maps to 9. So let's see how we can apply these steps to an input string. Okay, so let's take this input string. So first of all, let's see if it has any Z or not. So yes, it does have a Z, so that means it has a 0, and we remove the characters which are present in the spelling of 0. So Z, E, R, O. Let's remove these. Now it has a W. W represents 2 uniquely. So we have 2 in over here. Let's remove TWO. TWO. Okay, so now it doesn't have U, neither it has X, neither G, neither H, neither F, neither S. So because of that, it doesn't any of these. So let's check for O's. So O's now uniquely identify 1s. So yes, it does have a O. So we have 1, and we remove the spelling of O-N-E 1, and we have nothing left. So this is 0 to 1. We have identified the character. Now just what we have to do is sort them and return them as the result. So if you would want to see the programmatic solution for this approach, please check the link that I have added in the description. Thank you.